Welcome to the Open Source AI Academy, your definitive guide to 8 elite courses designed to future-proof your career entirely for free. In today's world, the barrier to elite AI education is no longer cost, it is curation. With leading institutions like Harvard, Google, and OpenAI open sourcing their knowledge, the true challenge is knowing where to start and how to best invest your limited time. To simplify your journey, we have established 3 strategic pathways: the generalist for foundations, the communicator for prompt engineering, and the architect for development and building. If you choose the generalist track, you can establish foundational fluency through Google's AI Learning Path for a structural understanding of enterprise tools, or the AI for Everyone course for conceptual clarity on business operations. The communicator track allows you to master the machine interface via a 3-hour sprint, with OpenAI for immediate tactical prompting, or a 70-hour marathon, through Vanderbilt's Masterclass for deep academic mastery. For those looking to build the next generation of tools, the Architect track offers a progression from Microsoft's entry-level frameworks to Harvard's comprehensive 70-hour foundation in AI with Python. Looking at the investment spectrum, you can see how these courses scale from conceptual, low-time commitments like OpenAI to code-heavy, high-investment programs like Harvard. This master diagnostic matrix helps you identify the ideal course based on your specific professional role, from business leaders seeking fluency to software engineers pivoting to AI integration. Use the personal alignment engine to quickly find your starting point by answering 3 simple questions. What is your primary goal? How much time do you have? And are you looking for a brief intro or a deep dive? Ultimately, the tools are free, but the advantage goes to the decisive. Select your exact pathway, block out 3 hours on your calendar this weekend, and begin. Join our LinkedIn community to explore more resources for your growth and career.